Hello, friends, and welcome back. So, today we will talk about two of the most important principles in information security, which is need to know and principle of least privilege. Even though they are often mentioned together and sound similar, they are not the same. So, without wasting any time, grab your notepad and let's understand the difference. The need to know principle means a person should only have access to information they need to know to do their specific job, right? Just having a high level position or security clearance doesn't automatically mean access to everything. So, if you don't need any information to complete your task, you should not be given access to that, right? Even if you are trusted. The main goal of the principle is to protect confidentiality. As it is always said, the less people who know something, the lower the risk of that information leaking, right? Let's take an example. Imagine someone works in HR department and handles employee benefits. They need access to insurance details, but they don't need access to salary information or performance reviews, right? So based on need to know, they should only get access to benefits data, not everything in the HR system, right? This helps keep private data confidential and reduces the risk of leaking, right? Then we have principle of least privilege. This means a person should be given the minimum amount of access or permission required to do their job. This includes access to files, system, tools, and what actions they are allowed to perform, like editing, deleting, or installing software, right? And this principle is about limiting power, not just the information. It helps protect confidentiality, integrity, and also reduces the damage if something goes wrong, whether it's by accident or on purpose. Let's take an example. Suppose someone works in finance and needs to view reports. They don't need to delete records or change payment settings. So their account should only have read only access, not full edit or admin access, right? This limits the damage if something goes wrong either by mistake or due to a cyber attack. Earlier, we have also discussed about mandatory access control and discretionary access control. So, for better understanding, you can go and refer that video. Coming back to the topic, let's take a simple example that explains both principle of need to know and principle of least privilege. Suppose you work in the IT support team and your job is to reset passwords for employees. Based on need to know, you only need access to the employee directory, not their email inbox or confidential files, right? And based on least privilege, you should only have permission to reset passwords, not to delete users or make yourself an admin, right? So even though you are part of IT, your access is limited to only what you need and you are only allowed to do what your role requires. This way, the organization stays more secure. So, need to know is about what data you can access, least privilege is about what you are allowed to do with that access. So, guys, this is all we have for today. I hope you found this video insightful. Please share it with your friends. Consider joining me on LinkedIn. See you soon with another topic, another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.